Racing just started with Silver Sword. Break quick, let us start. Don Albertini rushing about the young side, Gentle Strength. Then comes Wannabe, Dallery inside our Angel's Dream. Then followed now by Money King, Wild Wild West, second less, while Breaking Bug missed the early trailer by about 12 lengths up the leader. Racing down the backstretch with the quick is striding Silver Sword on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Don Albertini in second, Gentle Strength now in third, and in fourth comes our Angel's Dream. Alongside now is Money King, then Dallery inside is Wannabe, Wild Wild West, while Breaking Bug is still racing in less. Another 4th turn with Silver Sword by about 4 lengths. Gentle Strength remains in second. Our Angel's Dream now moving upon the outside. The next online is Money King. Then followed now by Don Albertini. Wild Wild West, Breaking Bad, while Wannabe now racing in last as they swing to Rome with Silver Sword. Gentle Strength is at the outside. Then comes our Angel's Dream. Last 100 meters with Silver Sword. Gentle Strength is at the outside, and finally is going to be Gentle Strength. The Silver Sword. Then comes our Angel's Dream.
Alright, number 8, Gentle Strength, crossing the wire first. Napitan, itong si Silver Sword. Dahil tercero dyan, numero 2, our Angel's Dream. Panoorin natin, replay nitong race number 5.